Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can mute notes on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram, and then simply you need to click on the message icon on the top right, and here you can see different notes from different people. So you simply need to hold any note, and you have these options. You simply need to click on mute notes, and now you can see an option. Click on mute notes again. So now you can see that the note of that person is muted. So this is a process by which you can mute notes on Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.